Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to update DNS records in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign into your Hostinger account. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the section labeled either Domains or Websites. If you're managing your DNS via a hosting plan, you'll want to head over to the Websites section. If you're dealing directly with domain registrations, opt for Domains and then Domain Portfolio. Now that you're in the right area, find the domain name you want to work on. Next to it, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Clicking this is your gateway to all the settings you might need to adjust. Once there, turn your attention to the left menu. You're looking for the option called DNS Name Servers. Give that a click, and it will bring up a new tab or section titled DNS Records. This is where all the magic happens. Within the DNS Records tab, if your goal is to edit an existing record, look for the Edit icon. Clicking this will allow you to update fields such as the record type, name, content, and TTL, depending on what changes you need to make. Once you've entered the new information, make sure to hit the Update button to save your changes. It's important at this stage to double-check that all the information is correct. An incorrect DNS setting can lead to website downtime or issues with email delivery. And that's it. So that is how you can update DNS records in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.